Good morning. This is Kat with Keep Your Twin Up. I wanted to show you how to make a quick, easy breakfast for your kids in the morning using two of my favorite Pampered Chef items, the ceramic egg cooker and the food chopper. Now, as a disclaimer, I do not sell Pampered Chef and I do not represent their product. I just wanted to share with you what gets me through my mornings. Of course, the very first thing you need to do is make yourself a nice cup of coffee. You're gonna need it, Mama. Now, for 18-month-olds, my boys eat quite a lot, so they're going to split 3 eggs. Next, we're going to add some milk, putting about a tablespoon per egg. I have this cute little baby whisk my mom got me for Christmas last year. I use that to whisk it all up. Then we're going to throw in a small handful of cheese. And I cheat and I get the pre-diced ham. Just going to throw in a handful of that. Yummy, yummy. Now we're going to chop up some mushrooms. Believe it or not, my kids love mushrooms. So we're going to throw those in there. Now I'm going to put the lid on, put my finger over the hole, shake it up a little bit. Put it in the microwave for about 90 seconds. And then we'll go from there if it's not quite ready. Now, when I pulled it out the first time after 90 seconds, it wasn't quite ready. So I added 30 seconds. I think it's ready. Easy, cheesy omelet for the boys. Now, I usually make this before I even get my boys up. They're still in their cribs. By the time I get them up and ready to eat, this will be nice and cooled down and just at the right temperature for them to eat. And using this product, you have eliminated a bunch of dishes and time and energy. I'm going to get this because this is my favorite. Have a great morning, mamas. Yummy, yummy? What do you think? Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yummy?
Yeah.
They like it. Nana? My boys are obsessed with bananas, so we literally have bananas for breakfast every morning. So the next part of their breakfast is just to chop up 2 bananas. I would love to hear what you all feed your kids for breakfast in the morning. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.